to online at 933thebreeze.com. I'm Rich Hunter, and we have a lot of information to get through. We'll get through it real quick. Don't you worry. We are partnering with News 12 now, and so we have a lot of information from them. And as you can see here, this is the current radar. This is the national radar, okay? And all I see now is maybe just a little splotch of rain up here north of Bridgeport. Nothing major in the New York City area. Snow up anywhere. Just a little band of snow. It's really not much of anything. Very light precipitation through Rhode Island up to Boston and down here in Connecticut. Now, this is not what's going to affect us over the next many hours. I can tell you that right now. That is not what's going to happen. What's going to happen is a nor'easter is going to form, and it is going to head, of course, to the northeast. That's why they call them nor'easters. And it's going to significantly affect the weather. So we wanted to take a look at the weather on Long Island, and we also wanted to check in with the weather team and find out the latest. So let's find out what's going on with our partners at News 12.
All going to be facing come Sunday. Meteorologist Julian Seawright joining us now. Julian, what's one of your biggest concerns with the snow that's coming?
Absolutely is going to be the lack of visibility and just how much snow is going to be falling across Long Island in such a short amount of time. So let's start with what we have going on for us. We have the blizzard warning, which is going to be having blizzard-like conditions starting around 1 p.m. through Monday at 6 p.m. for us across all of Long Island. Now, the real pickup of the snow in itself, we are going to start to see later into the afternoon and evening hours. So Sunday morning, though it may be breezy, could have a couple of scattered showers of some snow, but we're really not going to start to see this picking up until we get to our Sunday evening and overnight into our Monday afternoon. And that's where we're looking for the biggest timeline of the worst of it to really hit for us. So blizzard-like conditions are definitely going to be likely by the time we get to our Sunday evening, and this is what we're going to be showing you from our future cast. So the afternoon, we're already going to see a bit of some scattered showers of snow, and then this is going to be even more widespread as we get closer to that 3 o'clock hour. And see, the winds are just around 20 to 25 miles per hour. This intensifies as we see closer towards that 7, 8 o'clock hour, and from 8 to the overnight is where I'm looking for the worst of it to really take place across Long Island. This is where we have the highest winds, the heaviest snow bands, and that's where it's going to continue just punching out snow overnight into our early Monday morning. And even by 10 o'clock hour, we're still dealing with some snowfall across Long Island, and those winds are not going to be but so bad for us by the time we get to the afternoon. However, we're still going to see blowing snow even throughout much of our Monday afternoon. So a quick look at what we have for our snowfall forecast. It is a wide range, and the reason being is because of that heavy banding of snowfall that I am anticipating as we get to our Sunday night into our Monday. So a foot to 2 feet is definitely not out of the question, so definitely prepare for not only just being holed up from Sunday night into our Monday, but also just having close to 2 feet for some of these areas by the time we get to our Monday night. Otherwise, we're just going to be continuing to see and monitoring the situation, and we'll continue to bring more updates and everything you'll need to know here at News 12.
Okay, Governor
Stormwatch, brought to you by
Governor Hochul has issued a state of emergency. And also, if you go to the New York Mayor's office, Mayor Mamdani has a lot of information that you need to know. We shared that with you a little bit earlier this evening. We will continue to follow the situation throughout the evening and keep you updated. This has been an iHits Stewart Broadcasting weather update. I'm Rich Hunter.